parang di halata. Hindi. Si baba kasi yung aking cellphone dyan. Okay guys, it's already 2:08 in the morning. Kaya nga nilate nga ng mga ano ni Sang eh. Ng mga...
Hindi pa naman, hindi ko makita.
Alaya pa na mahirap, ano eh. It's already 2 o'clock in the morning and we're still awake. We're so busy right now to finish these notebooks. We're Team Puyaters. Team Puyaters for today. Ano ba, padaan-daan ka naman?
Ay, bigyan mo ako pagkain yung drivers. Hindi ko pala pinakain yan.
Dagdag pa sa trabaho itong mga to eh. Nakabili na nga sa akin, no? Okay, we're going to feed the fish. Oh, here na. Orange, daan-daan ka naman dyan. Agoy. Si Orange naman din kasi, pasaway. Stoy. Nag-aaway pa dyan, oh. Okay, we're going home. We're done to send the notebooks and then it's already 4:06 a.m. and we are going home now to go to sleep. It's a really tiring day. This is just a Milo and I just put ice, some of ice. Yo, I'm just resting here and look at this. She approached me and look at her eyes. She has who did that? Who did that to you, Snow White? Hmm? Who did that to you? Look, oh. She has black in her eyes. Look at your eyes. Who did that to you? I think she is already hungry because she didn't eat the foods I gave to her earlier. Oh, what is your problem? I don't have a foods here. I often speak our cats in English. That's my my way to practice actually in speaking English. Oh, you have a black on your eyes. At your eyes. What? Are you hungry? How no foods? You know what? Go to your amo. She's my auntie's. Cat, actually, pet cat, and she's staying here in our house because she really wanted here. I'm just resting. Yeah, it's already 4:59 p.m. I actually writing a novel right now. Actually revising my novel that I wrote and still haven't done yet because we're so busy. But now, since I'm just resting, lying here in our room, so I decided to revise some of the parts, or yeah, some of the parts or scenes that I wrote in that novel. 5 o'clock. 5. And yeah, magtatanong yun. Baka tulog pa. I'm just talking to my mother. She's urged me to ask Ate if she's going to the market. We're going to the market later. And of course, we already have boxes of notebooks again. Another batch of notebooks. And that we have to sew again. So we're still busy. Actually, we're still busy right now. But I still have time to do the other. Wait, no. Look at that cat. Oh, what a naughty cat. Stop it. This is mine. She's really naughty, actually. Stop, Snow White. Hey. She's a playful cat, actually. And she really loves to play.